We do over 300 million flights a year, and we've captured nearly 2 billion images in 1 year alone, with all the customers using us around the world. You can see how quickly it is to scale up a robotic mission without having to actually ever go into the field.
You just go, fly it, and what takes 10 or 15 days for an inspection would take 10 minutes with the drone.
Thank you to all participants for coming. A huge shout out to the MFE team who has been instrumental in some of very key relationships in and around oil and gas.